Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super handy trick on Canva that's going to save you a ton of time, how to add and automatically update page numbers throughout your entire project in just a few clicks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to keep your Canva presentations neat, organized, and totally professional without ever having to add page numbers by hand. Trust me, whether you're making a school project, business proposal, or just a personal slideshow, knowing this one little Canva feature is going to make your life a whole lot easier. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open up Canva. If you already have a project you're working on, that's great, but you can also start fresh. For today, I'll show you from scratch so you get the whole process. Go ahead and click on Create up in the corner. Canva is really intuitive here. You'll see all sorts of options like posters, social posts, and more. What we're looking for is presentation, so give that a click. Think of it like opening a new blank notebook, ready for your creative ideas. Next up, Canva will show you a wide variety of templates. You can scroll through and select one that fits your vibe. Don't worry, you can always change colors or elements later. For now, just pick a sample template that catches your eye. The important thing is, templates often come with multiple pages already set up, which is perfect for showing how page numbers work. Once your presentation is loaded, look over to the menu on the side. We're looking for the text tool. Click on text, and within that menu, you'll notice a nifty feature labeled page number. This is the magic button that does all the hard work for us. A lot of people miss this little detail because it's buried under text options, but once you know where it is, you'll use it every time. Now, when you click on page number, Canva gives you 3 different styles to choose from. Each one is just a different look. Maybe you want page numbers at the bottom right, on the left, or centered. Take a moment to preview them and choose the one that best matches your design or preference. There's no wrong answer here, so pick what feels right for your presentation. If you're feeling indecisive, I usually lean toward a simple bottom right number. It's classic and tidy. After you've made your choice, here comes the really powerful step. You'll see an option to apply to all pages. Click that and Canva automatically adds your selected page number style to every single page in your presentation. No need to copy paste or worry about missing a page. It's all done in the background instantly. If you ever add or delete pages later, Canva will update the numbers for you so everything stays accurate. Pretty cool, right? This saves a ton of time, especially on larger presentations where the last thing you want is to hunt for stray page numbers. And that's honestly it. You're done. Your Canva presentation now has fully automatic page numbers, giving your work a sleek, professional finish. Don't worry if it took a few moments to find everything the first time. Like most things in Canva, once you know where it lives, it becomes second nature. If you found this tip helpful, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any other Canva questions or tutorial requests. I read every one. And if you want more quick, useful guides just like this, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.